What's going on, guys? It's your boy West Vlogs, back on the vlogs. We got Danny over here. So today, actually,
we got Daniel over there.
What's up, Danilo? Oh yeah. So today, guys, we're gonna install a MST cold air intake on the A90 Supra. It's gonna sound sick. I heard some sound clips of it. It has like little blow-off flutter noises. So hopefully I'll try to get some sound clips in this video after I install it. So I'll hit you guys in a little bit when I start the process. Oh guys, oh we got a cow here. What's up, bro?
What's up?
Damn, baby, what's up? What's this? It's our old car.
It looks way better than your performance.
I know, oh my god. It's sick, guys. Oh my god, I missed my car. Wow. Look, the titanium exhaust. I don't know about those pie cuts. Whoa. JRZ? Wow.
Baller, man.
Baller. Alright guys, you ready? We're gonna start the install right now. So here we are with the parts. This is the heat shield box. And this is part of the box as well. Coupler. Some bolts in there. Washer. Ooh, I like this, made of aluminum. Big cone! Thank you, MST and Keys Motorsports. So, yeah, let's get this install started. Here we go, guys.
Waking up at noon, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now.
Alright, so we're almost done putting everything back together. So I'm pretty excited. Make sure don't tighten these bolts too much for the sensor, or you know, that's a no-no. So yeah guys, almost done.
You text now. You said you want me when it started. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it started. Yeah, slow down. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up at noon, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it started. Being with you just feels right. Said we could meet it when it started. Yeah, I'm really being honest. I want this to last. Said you want it honest. I'm giving you my hand. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it started.
Alright guys, it's almost all in. Just need to put the shield on top. So check it out guys. Intake's right here. I'm kind of curious if it makes any noise. Let's actually see. Alright guys, the install's done. I'm gonna make sure everything's good. Here's a little clip of the intake, guys. sounds sick, guys. But yeah, when I'm like satisfied with the mods, I'll give you guys like an update. So I will talk to you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do.